Hello, I'm Paddy from Reframes at creativemedia.org.uk. Reframes is my little mini project where I try and make useful things out of stuff people are throwing away. So many making projects all involve buying new stuff, using some of it, throwing some of it away. It seems really wasteful. The whole point about making is maybe causing a bit less environmental impact and ending up with something unique as well. I'm certainly going to do that. The problem is, a friend of mine has a very high window and there's just no way she's going to reach it. It's really high up in the kitchen, and when she burns the toast, then the fire alarm's going to go off and she won't be able to aerate the kitchen. So I've made this gadget. This wooden pole is a curtain rail that somebody is throwing away outside the house. What this pole needs to do is be long, it certainly is that, and I think having a curtain rail pole to open a window is quite fitting really. What we've got on the end here, this is a piece of copper pipe from a boiler system which we used to have in our house, and it got a bit old and wasn't working anymore, and I thought I want to keep as much of this as possible because the rest of it's going to end up in the bin. Actually, the copper pipe got recycled and earned a little bit of money from it, which is rather good. This little bendy bit I thought I'd keep, and I thought that would make a good hook for hooking over the catch to open the window. And what I've done on the end here is I've used a drill, quite a wide drill bit. Actually, my dad made that drill bit. He made all kinds of things when he was alive. So I've drilled a hole, I've pushed the pipe down into it, and I've used a screw here to stop it getting pulled out again, because this needs to be very firmly in position, it mustn't be wobbly. At the other end, I'm going to need something to close the window. I don't want to use this sort of metal pipe, it might scratch the woods or break the glass maybe, so I wanted something rubbery. Ideally a kind of rubber stopper, but I don't have a rubber stopper lying around. Obviously don't want to buy one. So, a bicycle inner tube. I've doubled up a few bits of bicycle inner tube on the end. I had to use some tacks to tack it on, stop it falling off. Then I've used some more bicycle inner tube and put it around to kind of make it look a bit neater and hold it all together. And this hopefully will be able to push the window shut. So that's it, very simple make, but hopefully it'll do the job. If you compare that to actually buying a special tool to do this, that could be expensive and a bit wasteful as well. So let's see if it works. Okay, I'm here at the high window. Let's see if my pole can do the job. So reaching up, hooking over the catch. Luckily the pipe just happened to be the right bend I can reach over. That's a good start. Let's see if it can pull hard enough. There we go. And can I get this out again? Pull it a little bit further. There we go. Yeah, that will twist out again as well. If this was too hooked, it'd probably get stuck there, which would be a bit annoying. So that's worth thinking about. Now the closing bit. I don't want to leave it open on a cold night like this. Here's my rubbery end, which isn't going to do any harm to anything because it's nice and soft. Not even the glass, no scratches. So I need to push this shut like that. Okay, I'm going to push the catch. Perfect! Job done. And cost to me absolutely nothing. And the benefit is quite a lot of satisfaction making something useful out of some rubbish. Thanks for watching.